This is my entry for the Color Prompts collab. I'm introducing a matte orangey brown shade on the outer corners of the eye, a deeper metallic bronze, lightening the shade towards the middle of the eye using some yellow gold, deepening the browns, add some yellow sparkle, a matte blue shade because I was thinking of a Bunsen burner type of flame, using Marama by devinahcosmetics to add a blue sparkle, a bronze metallic from Essence eyeliner, a pale gold. Devinahcosmetics Beauty Oil is my favorite mixing medium. I use it with liquid lipsticks to create a cream blush all the time. Let me know what you think.